350. Intersection of two arrays 2. It's an easy problem. Given two integer arrays num1 and num2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must appear as many times as it shows in both arrays. You may return the result in any order. Okay, what it's saying is that we need to return the same or the intersecting element, and also the times it appears. We are going to return the same time, and yeah, any order is accepted. And yeah, lots of companies asking this question, and here actually if it is only one element we need to return, we can use hash map or dictionary, but as we need to send them the exact count, so we cannot do that. And also there is a good thing that we can return in any order, that means we can short it. So I'm going to use at first short these two array and then use two pointer, and it's actually simple. One would be for nums1 index, and another is going to be nums2's index, and the common sense is we're not going to make anything which is greater than the length of the element. And yeah, we're going to go through a while loop in this condition that none of the array's boundary exist, and we are simply checking if the current one is same with the other array. We're going to add this into the result and simply increase those two index. And yeah, if it match, we're going to continue, and if it doesn't match, if a is greater, num1 is greater, we are simply going to increase b, so that it's the probability to that the next element would be maybe same or greater than the first one. And if it's not, we're going to increase the first one. In actually, if we think it simply, if a first one is smaller and second one is bigger, we're going to increase the first one so that it get close to the second one. And here finally we're going to return the result. So let's run this thing and use the example test case. It's going well. Let's submit it. Okay.